It's a little difference. I should have did it before, but can't really tell. I don't know what. I think this is a burn stain. Maybe the iron fell on it. I do not know, but it was darker than this, and it did get lighter. So yeah, I'm happy with that. If you know any stain removers that I can use for this, let me know. It did get lighter from what I use, and I use peroxide and baking soda. So let me know in the comments. But other than that, I will finish the top and everything else at another time. And when this dry, I'll see if I see a difference. So I'll record that as well. All right. See you guys later. Bye.